Assalamualaikum. Annyeonghaseyo. Hello. Yogi Ocean Gosulwan Yung Hamnida. Welcome here. Chonun Usman Ibnida. I am Usman. Chonun Yagza Ibnida. I am pharmacist. Chonun Pakistan SOS Ibnida. I am from Pakistan. Arundan Nara Ibnida. It is a beautiful country. Nongap Gugga Ibnida. It is an agricultural country. Puran Nara Ibnida. Green country. Gurumedo Pulkago Chonun Honorul Payogutsimnida. Nevertheless, I am learning languages. Chonun Hangu Gurul Payogutsimnida. I am learning Korean language. Chalchin Nashunayo. How are you? Gungang Hashigil Baramnida. Wishing a good health for you. This is my day 24 of Korean language speaking challenge, and now I have an ayah from Surah Ar-Rahman 55 ayat number 13. It is Noinun Noi Chunime Un Hai Chung Onu Gosul Goyog Handan Malino. It means then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny? और फिर तुम अपने रब की किन किन नेमतों को झुटलाओगे, इसका मफहूम है इस आयत का. In this ayah in Korean language, Noinun means you, Noi means your, Chunime means of your Lord, Unhai means grace. So this was my day of practicing Korean language, practicing speaking Korean language. 감사합니다. Thank you. 안녕히 가세요. Goodbye. 즐거운 시간 되세요. Have a nice time. 나중에 봐요. See you later. جزاكم الله خير.